To close the tent, you can leave all your bedding inside. Again, 20 seconds for down. Our tent's also solar ready, so you can put a solar panel on the roof, plug it in, and on the bottom you can take it to your solar regulator. Over here we've got the Bundu Awn, which is a 360-degree awning. It comes from the front, covering your bonnet and your cab of your vehicle all the way around and over your drawer system at the back. The arms comes out 2.3 meters. You can actually fit LED lights on top of it, and it's got 2 built-in legs as well to secure it for storms and windy conditions.